In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this trending cat videos using AI. So this channel right here, you can see the videos are actually getting over millions of views. This video is having 46 million views. This is having 41. And if you check this channel is actually having just 84 videos and already having over 1 million subscribers. There's another channel over here called Meow Motion, and then with 93 videos, it's already having close to about 3 million subscribers. And look at the videos over here. This video is having 86 million views, and if you check the channel, actually it was created in December 2023 and already is having close to over 600 million views. And that is concept can be used to create this animals cooking, that's actually cat cooking videos. And I'm going to walk you through how you can do this. We're actually going to generate our images. We're actually going to convert these images into videos, and then we're actually going to generate our own music using Suno AI. And then the most interesting thing here is that I'm going to show you how you can edit this. You can see I'm going to show you how you can edit this with CapCut, and that is going to be very smooth, and I'm going to walk you through everything step by step with no steps skipped. So this is actually how I created this video, and then let's watch what I've created myself. So I actually created a song, I generated a song myself, and then the sound effects and everything. I'm going to show you how to get it. So let's jump right into this. The first thing we need to do is to actually generate our concept. We're going to use ChatGPT to get our prompts in order to generate our images. So copy the prompt, which I'm going to leave the link to this prompt at the description of this video, and then let's go to ChatGPT and then paste the entire prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT actually generated about 6 stages for this cooking process for us. So you can see the last stage is where the cat is actually eating the dish. So I'm going to show you how we can do this. So first of all, we're going to copy the first prompt. Just copy this first prompt, and then we go to the pick looming, and then make sure you click on launch, and then you have to sign up actually. So just go ahead and click on launch app. The next thing you do is that we need to check the resolution. So we need to check the resolution of our video. Since we are going to do this for short, click here and then make sure you select the 9:16 ratio. That is the portrait form, select that. And then for the model, select this particular one, the flags, just select that one. And then what we're going to do is that we're actually going to go to this option and select 2 images where we can actually pick the best from that. So I'm going to paste this, and then let's go ahead and generate this. Okay, as you can see, our first set is ready. That's the first page. So we are going to click on this image. You can see this quality is good. Now we want to maintain consistency in our images, so we're going to copy this seed. So we're going to copy this seed here, copy that, and let's go back to create. And then what we're going to do is that we're actually going to go to this filter option, that's advanced setting, and then go to fix here, and then we're going to paste this seed here in order to maintain consistency in the rest of the images that we're going to generate. So here, let's go back and copy the next prompt. That will be stage 2, and then we'll paste it back. Make sure you're using the right aspect ratio. So as you can see, we have the next one. All we're going to do is we're going to run through this and then generate it for the rest. So I'm going to speed up this part of the video and do that for the rest up to stage 6. So as you can see, I've generated all my images and everything is perfect because I use a seed. I've been able to maintain the consistency in all my images. Now all we need to do is that every stage we're going to just select one of these images. Just go ahead and then download that. So I'm going to download this as well. I'm going to download each stage. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download one image, just look through and download the best out of the 2, and then that's what we're going to use. So as you can see, I've downloaded all my images, the 3 stages. So all I need to do now is that we're going to go to this website there, Hello AI. This is where we're going to convert these images, these static images, into video. So let's go to create. First, make sure you sign up and then go to create. So when you go to create, you're going to use the image to video. So all we need to do is that we're going to drag our images over here. But the we're going to drag our images over here, but make sure you add a prompt to the images in order to get a perfect result. So what we're going to do over here is that I already have the prompt, so you can actually come here and copy this prompt for the first stage, and then when you go to this image to video, paste the prompt here and then drag the corresponding image. So I'm going to drag the image. Now when you add your image and the corresponding prompt, just click here to create. You can add as many as 5 in a queue. If you're a free user, you can add just about 3 in a queue. So here I'm using the premium, so I can add about 5 in the queue. So I'm actually going to do that for the rest of the images, and then let's see the final results. Now with the help of Hello AI, I've been able to convert these images into videos. As you can see, this is now video. We're actually going to download this, and then we're actually going to go to the next step, which is actually putting them into live. We're actually going to edit this. So I'm actually going to go down here, and then you can see there's a download button here. I'm actually going to use the download button and download all my videos. So now I have my videos downloaded. I'm actually going to drag this entire video, and then we'll move them to CapCut. Okay, so I have my videos in CapCut, but before we edit this video, we first need to generate our music. We need to first generate our music for this video and also download the sound effects. So let's go back here, and then we actually going to go to Suno AI. We're going to actually, so now we are going to actually generate our music for this video, and then we're actually going to use Suno AI to do that. But before we do that, we're going to add this last prompt. So we're going to copy this final prompt here, and then we're going to paste it. So we are basically telling ChatGPT to give us a song that will actually correspond with our video. So ChatGPT is actually going to give us this, which we can use in Suno AI. So copy this prompt, and then when we go to Suno AI, let's go to create. And then we're going to use this option, so make sure you turn on this instrumental and then paste it right here. So we're going to go ahead and then go down here and click on create. You can give it a title, so let's call it cat video, and then click on create. Suno AI will now give us 2 music, and then we can pick from that. So this is the first and second. Let's play this and see. Going to test the second and see as well. For me, I think both music are actually very cool, so I'll pick any of them that I feel is okay. So just click on this 3. So just click on these 3 dots and then go to download, and then make sure you click and then download this as audio. So I actually move my audio also to CapCut. So I'm just going to drag the audio first, and now we actually going to arrange our videos actually in the order in which it was actually downloaded. So we need to make sure and then follow the steps. So I'm actually going to drag them into the timeline. So first we're going to start from where the cat is actually cutting the carrot. So this is the first step, and it's going to follow like that. So now if I arrange, so now I have my videos arranged in that order. We don't need the entire music. So the length of this music is too much. So make sure you split this, and then maybe we just have to take this part off. So now this is basically going to be our video. This is what we're going to have. And then what we want to do also is that we're actually going to go to transition here, and then let's pick any transition effect that you feel that will be okay for you. I'm actually going to use this. I'm just going to drop this between one of these videos like this, and then I'm going to reduce it to 0.2, and then I'm going to apply to all. I also want to add some filter to this. I'm going to use the clear filter. I'll place it on top and then drag it across like this. Now if you play this will not look bad. as you can see, this is not bad, but it will be perfect if you add some sound effects like cutting, and also we can hear the noise of the oil. We can actually add all those effects to it, so that will be perfect. So let's do that. In order to get this sound effect, you can easily go to Pixabay and then you can get some sound effect. You can, whatever sound effect you want, just type in there. So you can see I said I want cutting carrot, so you can easily get that. So this is a perfect one. We can actually go ahead and download this. So we can actually place it just beneath where the cat is cutting the carrots. So here we can actually increase the volume a bit, and then when we play this, it's actually going to sound that way. So here the cat is actually doing the mixing, so we're actually going to look for a mixing sound effect and then add them. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to add those sound effects. You can actually go to Pixabay and then download that. So I'm going to add the sound effect and let's see the final results. I've added this sound effect, so let's see how this is going to look like. Video, and this is going to be very engaging for your viewers. So when you're done with this, all you have to do is to go to export here and then give your video a title. So give your video the title, and then we can say, let me call this cat video, and then export this. So this is our final video. Like and subscribe if you want me to create other videos like this or other entertaining videos or cat entertaining videos. You just subscribe and turn on post notification, and then you get notification anytime I create videos like this. You can start creating your viral cats videos channel and you can start making money. Like, I'm going to provide a link to all the resources I will use at the description of this video. Till I come your way again, bye bye.